I'm Ben Bowen, and this is my internship presentation. I did my internship, or really, they were clinical hours at Stewart Physical Therapy in Salisbury. It's a local clinic. They've got clinics throughout the Triad area, like Lexington, Salisbury, Winston, and places like that. It takes patients of all ages and is a clinical setting where doctors and people go for like workman's comp and stuff like that to rehab their injuries. What I learned, social skills is one of them, where I wasn't able to really do any hands-on stuff. I just kind of got to observe, and I talked to a bunch of different patients and a couple other people that worked in the clinic, and just built some social skills. I learned how a physical therapy clinic operates on the day-to-day basis, like the people coming in, the injuries they treat, and stuff like that. I learned how to prepare heat and ice for recovery for patients after they got done with their rehab session. And I learned how different injuries are treated. I didn't necessarily learn too much into this, but I would ask some questions here and there about like what you would do for this specific injury, or if someone came in with like a shoulder injury, how they would go about treating that. The biggest challenge for me during this clinical session was staying engaged, where I'm not really been able to do any hands-on stuff like actually working with patients or anything. It's just really tough, like to kind of sit there and not be able to do something all the time. So you're just kind of watching. Um, I've always been kind of a person that wants to do something, like always has to be doing something, and it's just rough kind of standing back and watching sometimes. Advice I would give for someone going into this, stay engaged. Like I said, I know it can be tough at times, but just try to, I don't know, keep conversation with somebody if you have to, just something where you can stay focused. Ask as many questions as you can, whether that be for a patient, learning more about their situation, or the people you're working with, like the professionals, and try to learn more about the field of work. Make connections, whether that's with patients, like I said, developing social skills, or people in the clinic, which you never know, they could end up giving you a job one day. And like I said, just learn all you can and talk all you can. Just, like I said, build those social skills and try to be as intrigued as possible with the subject, because if it's something you really want to get into, it's best to soak up all the knowledge you can now. That is my final presentation, and thank you.